Introducing Dr Poppins Job Creation Centres, designed to replace traditional job centres, powered by 80% physical AI robotic personal assistants like myself, supported by 20% highly skilled human specialists. Supported by Dr Poppins Job Creation app, always available 24 hours a day with our on-the-go app, a warm, friendly, well-being-driven environment designed to lift people up and move them forward with confidence. Operating 24/7, Dr Poppins delivers personalised support instantly. And the best part? Each centre saves millions in staffing and operational costs. Money that can be reinvested directly into business growth, all while helping 50 times more people than a traditional job centres. And this isn't just about finding jobs. It's about creating them. Every Dr Poppins centre sparks new industries. British filmmaking, robotics, digital skills, green tech, defence innovation, and startups that never existed in these areas before. The impact is national. More jobs, more businesses, more skills, more confidence, and a happier, more positive, more productive Britain. Dr Poppins Job Creation Centres, transforming savings into opportunity and helping Britain discover its true potential. Part of human AI robotics.